Riboti cia gutua date kuri na ciana iria cirora matura cia kuire na njira iri na kiriga mweri umwe muhituku riu ni tumurite ciuria cia itemi ria thirikari hari guthaitira family iria ciururaga matauni-ini.
We want to demand accountability following the unexplained deaths of street connected children and youth. But I begin this by saying that one life lost is one too many. And it perhaps me because we are not angry as a country. That people can lose lives and they are buried and no one says anything.
Nikumana na igongona reisha ikuhe kuria ciana kenda cia thikiro tofuri-ini twarangata Gikundi kia UNDUGU society kihete thirikari mekana ari hamwe na uthuthuria wa naihenya wa gitumi kia iko ici ifade na maratathi ma guciarwo ma o umwe wao.
While we acknowledge the government's commitment to waive hospital, mortuary and cemetery bills and provide financial support to affected families, we view these measures as cosmetic, knee-jerk and inadequate solutions that fail to address the underlying systemic failures responsible for these deaths. These deaths and related harms illustrate both the harsh realities of street life and the failure of state agencies to fulfill their mandate to ensure rights and services for children and youth.
Oho gikundi giki kirenda honge cia guthaitira family cithathauranio niguo aria magondereire wira-ini wao makuranwo na oho honge cia waki wa nyumba ikorio ciekirire kuhe family ici handu hari na motungata ma kiumundu.
We also demand redesigning of urban development and settlement policies to comprehensively address homelessness as a rights-based issue rather than solely through market-driven models that favor those with economic means. Current affordable housing, for instance, must be restructured to genuinely serve those experiencing homelessness.
Ihide-ini riu gikundi kia anake aria ni amwe aria moruraga matauni-ini ni macamanetie giikaro-ini kia muteti na muhuri biashara Agnes Kagure uria wanyitire itemi hari guthika ciana ici makienda uteithio wa guthika aruna wangi.
Kuna wamama tunao hapa, example kuna moja Esther na mwingine yuko hapa Shiro. Yuko hapa, watoto wake wako shule juu ya mama Agnes Kagore. Kwa hivyo tungeomba wale mabloggers ambayo wanatumiwa ili kuweza kufanya watu wa street wasisaidike, washindwe kabisa.
Acheni tuko honest kwa hii country. Mr. President, tuliona unapeana 90,000, sijui kazi za watu 90,000. Sisi umetuweka kategori gani ya watu 90,000? Hakuna. Tuyuko Mr. President. Pia sisi tunataka kuishi kwa hizo nyumba zetu za housing hizo affordable.
Andu-ini ha Kameme TV retwara kwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.